We have been freeloading.
Yeah.
For too many years, we have based the European societies on a combination of cheap energy from Russia, cheap goods from China, cheap security from the United States. That model is outdated. It doesn't work any longer. We have to be able to stand on our own feet. If we fail to deter Putin, then the cost will be paid in lives.
Do you think, like some people do in defense circles in this country and elsewhere, that we could be in an open war with Russia as soon as 2030?
Yes, in particular, if he gets any success in Ukraine, he will be encouraged to continue.
So this war has to be won in Ukraine right now.
Exactly. It's an existential threat to the security of Europe. And this is also a reason why we have to look upon Ukraine not only as a country that needs our help, but also as a country and asset that can contribute to our security.